Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're making shrimp tortellini Alfredo with homemade Alfredo sauce. Stay tuned. For today's recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. 1 to 2 bags of 5 cheese tortellini. 1 bag of 31 to 40 count peeled and deveined shrimp. 2 cups of milk. 8 ounces of cream cheese. 2 cups of Parmesan cheese, 1 full bag. 1 stick of butter. Garlic powder. Ground black pepper. Okay, we've got our water boiling for the pasta, and we'll pour that into the boiling water. Okay, the next thing we'll do is add a stick of butter to the pot for the Alfredo sauce. Okay, we're gonna add about another 1/4 stick of butter to the pan for the shrimp. Placing a wooden spoon over the pot will keep it from boiling over. Okay, we're going to put in a teaspoon of minced garlic in the pan for the shrimp. Let that get in with the melted butter. And we're going to add our shrimp. Okay, meanwhile in the saucepan with the butter, we're going to add a block of cream cheese. Add a little bit of pepper to both the shrimp and the Alfredo. Once you try this dish at home, please come back to the video and tell me in the comments how you liked it. We're going to add some fresh cut parsley to our shrimp. You can also add a little bit of lemon juice here. Put a little bit of garlic powder in there as well, as we like garlic powder. Drain our pasta. Move this up to our big burner. Turn it down. Okay, we're going to add in a little milk. We're going to start to whisk. Okay, now we're going to come in with about half a bag of shredded Parmesan cheese. This is the fancy shredded. Oops. The secret to the Alfredo sauce is to keep stirring as much as possible. Okay, we've added our pasta to our shrimp. We'll stir that up. And we'll get back to whisking our Alfredo sauce. Okay, we'll come in with a little bit more of our milk. You gotta keep on whisking. Add the milk a little at a time. Trying out my new push whisk. Works pretty good for getting the stuff on the bottom. Okay, we'll turn that on low. Let that thicken up a little bit. I think I want this a little thicker. I'm going to go back in and put the rest of the shredded Parmesan cheese, so that ended up being a whole bag. Turn it up just a tad. We'll add some more pepper and some more garlic powder. Once you can make a clean line in the back of a spoon, your sauce is thick enough. Please like, comment, and share. Okay, so now we'll add our Alfredo sauce. Add a little bit more pasta. Now this looks nice and creamy. Okay, we'll garnish it with a little bit of parsley. Please subscribe to the channel to help us grow. And there you have it, Shrimp Tortellini Alfredo.